Hi, it's Evelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. I do appreciate it. And if you are new here, welcome, and please consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about how to use my products in the order you should use them, how to use them, and when to use my products. I have received several emails asking, Evelyn, how do I use the hair mask? Do I put it on wet hair, dry hair? When should I use scalp tonic, scalp treatment wipes, and so on. So what I am going to do the coming weeks, I am going to do a series on how to use my products, in the order to use the products, and when you should use the products. My products are formulated for men and women that are suffering from hair loss, scalp issues such as scalp pimples, excessive itching, dandruff, and shedding, and bald spots and thinning. So in this series, what I am going to do weekly or maybe every other week, using the products on my hair to show you how to use the products. So in this video today, I am going to share with you how to use my scalp treatment wipes and my new product, which is my Neem Shampoo bar for scalp pimples. If you are suffering from any scalp issues like excessive itching, dandruff, shedding, thinning, bald spots, please check out my Etsy shop and see if there is something there that may help you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave me a comment down below, and I will see you in my next how to use my products. Okay, now it's time for me to do a scalp exam. You want to do a scalp exam before you use your treatment wipes. And you want to just go around and feel on the top of your head. You want to massage gently, and you will feel tenderness. It could be itchy, and also you could actually feel the scalp pimple on your scalp. So after you have done your scalp exam, you may feel some swelling, some tenderness, soreness, and it may itch really bad. So what you do, you're going to take out your scalp treatment wipes. And the scalp treatment wipe, it comes with 25 treatment wipes. So you're going to open it up and you're going to take one out. I'm taking it out with my hands, and my hands are clean and dry. Take your wipe and you're going to start top of your head, the crown, and gently massage the treatment on your scalp. I focus here in the crown because that is where I got most of the scalp pimples, and you can also part throughout your head and massage the treatment throughout the rest of your scalp. After applying the treatment onto your scalp, you can go in and do a gentle massage. After a 2-minute scalp massage, massaging the treatment in, then you want to cover your head with a plastic cap. And I am going to leave this on for 1 hour and then come back. The scalp treatment wipes really helps at shrinking scalp pimples, healing your scalp, and it is a great way to maintain a healthy scalp. The scalp treatment wipes are also great for psoriasis. I do have customers that order my scalp treatment wipes for their husbands because after they shave, they get those ingrown hairs, and so the treatment wipes have helped clear up the pimples from shaving that men get around their face. So I have left the treatment on my hair for 1 hour. It is time to wash it out. Introducing my new product, which is my Neem Shampoo soap. Neem helps with scalp pimples, fungus, bacteria, and this soap is great. It will help not only cleanse your scalp, nourish your scalp because of the neem, lemongrass, orange oil, and other essential oils that I have in this soap. So it will cleanse your scalp, shrink up the scalp pimples, and after just one treatment of using my scalp treatment wipes and my soap, you will definitely notice a difference. So now what I'm going to do is shampoo. I am going to show you how I use my Neem soap. I forgot to show it to you, but look how it cleanses your scalp. Get the dirt off and just loosen up dirt, dandruff. It just really, really helps. I can't show you washing my hair in a shower downstairs. So what you will do is you will get into your shower, wet your hair down, and then you will apply the soap on your scalp. So what I have done is just put some plain water in a spray bottle, spray my scalp, and apply the Neem shampoo on my scalp. So I'm just going to spray. And then I'll take the soap, and it's lathering up really quick. Do a gentle massage, working the shampoo into my scalp. And then what I'm going to do is part my scalp, part my hair, expose my scalp, and spray some water and go through and shampoo my scalp. Around my edges. And now I will do my complete head. Now that I have applied the Neem soap shampoo on my scalp, and I massaged my scalp for about 2 minutes, and now what I'm going to do is let this sit on my scalp for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to rinse the Neem shampoo out, and then I am going to shampoo up a second time, rinse my hair, and I'll come back. Okay, I am back. I have washed the shampoo, the Neem shampoo, out of my head. My scalp feels great. It's clean, and my hair is super, super soft. And after you've used your Neem shampoo soap, you just put it in a paper towel, pat it dry, and then you can put it away for your next. So I am all done with this first series on how to use my scalp treatment wipes and my new product, which is my Neem shampoo soap. The scalp treatment wipes are great to clear up any scalp pimples you get on your scalp. It helps with excessive itchiness, psoriasis, and dandruff. So it really clears up the scalp pimples on your scalp. nourish your scalp by providing nutrients from the neem oil, the neem powder, and the essential oils. Really helps clear up your scalp. What I'm going to do next is deep condition my hair, and the conditioner that I am going to use is my keratin. I love this keratin oil conditioner. It really strengthens my hair and helps with strengthening your hair and keeping your hair from breaking. So this completes this video. I hope it was truly helpful, that you understand how to use my scalp treatment wipes and using my Neem shampoo bar. So this completes this video. Please check out my Etsy shop and see if there is a product there that may help you. My scalp treatment wipes are available, as well as my Neem shampoo. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.